Hello everyone. While everyone is busy trying to find out their soulmate, their future partner and whatnot, I am here with a different viewpoint. If you're someone who is done with relationships, friendships and things which have only drained them, which have not actually helped them enhance or grow in life, then this is the perfect video for you. Stay with me because you are about to get the most important realization of your life. Now, before you think that this is about being anti-relationship, anti-social and trying to be lonely, then hear me out. This is about understanding the profound difference between living alone and being lonely. These are two very different things. You are lonely when you feel like the need for someone else and you are operating from a mindset of desperation. But when you say you are alone, that means that is your conscious choice. You know exactly what you want and you are not going to settle for less. And I believe the later one is the best state to be in for multiple reasons. One of them being you start operating from a very high level of consciousness and understanding. Look out at anyone who chooses to live alone for the first time. They will start getting the kind of realizations they have never got in life. Let's start with the most simple thing. When you are around people, you are constantly adjusting. You are constantly adjusting your behavior, your decisions to fit into someone's expectations, and that is the real red flag. Think about it. Last time आप कब अपने साथ बैठे थे just to hear your own thoughts and not to do something? Think about it. कितना आसान है ना? फोन उठाओ, उस पे स्क्रॉल करते रहो, लैपटॉप उठाओ, उस पे कुछ भी वीडियोस देखो, टाइम पास करो, खत्म करो दिन. But what if you choose to sit for an hour with yourself in the day? Just pick that time out. 90% of you would give up at just the idea of it, would become uncomfortable. Doing nothing? Nothing मतलब क्या रीड भी नहीं कर सकते, सोच भी नहीं सकते? Yes, sit with yourself, with your thoughts, trying to understand your inner beliefs, your emotions. That is tough, right? And that is actually because we have been designed to not live alone, to avoid the moments where we are truly alone, where we are getting to truly understand ourselves. And it's crazy how science says that people who have lived on their own, who know how to spend more time with themselves and who get comfortable with the idea of living alone, do not ever try to chase or enter into relationships or even friendships where they do not feel seen, heard or valued, because now that is where you will get the process of real self-actualization. Yes, you will start learning about the flaws you have, the kind of things that truly trigger you, the things that you truly love. You can dance to your favorite song on a random Wednesday. You can go to your favorite coffee shop and do whatever you want. You can always hang out with the kind of people you wanted. You can try out new places, new experiences and what not. There is no foundation, and only if you decide to make the best out of it, you are going to have the best kind of experiences and the worst ones as well. A lot of things will follow, especially if you are coming from a space जहाँ पर आपने trauma देखा है past में, या फिर problems देखे हैं, या फिर if you have been under toxic parenting, आपके लिए ये पूरी healing journey होगी. आपको समझ आएगा exactly कौन से patterns थे जो कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा trigger करते थे, जिसकी वजह से आप बार-बार एक पैटर्न फॉलो करते थे जहाँ पर you were constantly sad. And now once you have understood the real reason behind that, you're able to fix it yourself. You get the time to truly hear your thoughts and then work on them. अब कोई भी आपको interrupt करने नहीं आता है बार-बार. When you're thinking about things, you can watch your favorite movie, you can cry for hours, you can sleep whenever you want, you can wake up whenever you want. You can truly make the best out of it. See, the one thing that nobody tells you is that when you are in a relationship, you unconsciously become the kind of person that the other person wants you to become. And the moment you let go of that feeling, आप समझने लग जाते हो कि what you actually are. You are unique within yourself, and since you have not sat with yourself till now, आपने खुद को वो तवज्जो नहीं दी अब तक, इसलिए आपने अपने आप को अच्छे से नहीं पहचाना, अपने आप को अच्छे से accept भी नहीं किया है अब तक. You're just trying to fit into someone else's mold, and that is really not healthy. I know relationships are important, but what I am talking about is first make sure you truly understand yourself, your patterns, your ideas, thoughts, knowledge, experiences, and based on that you start making bondings. You will then eventually be able to understand कि मैं किस तरीके के लोगों के साथ vibe करती हूँ, जिसकी वजह से I'll be able to attract the right kind of individuals. In my initial years, I was attracting the kind of people who were very much dependent, who were kind of toxic, who had envy, ego, and all the qualities that I call negative today. But today, even I get shocked when I get to interact with people who are an even evolved version of me. And I consciously didn't do anything about wanting to go ahead and attract those kind of people. It was more on a subconscious level when I chose to do the work on my inner self. That's when I started understanding what are my patterns, what are the things that truly resonate with me. और ऐसा तब होगा जब मैं उन चीज़ों की बातें करने लगूंगी, तो फिर I'll make sure कि I'll attract the kind of people जो कि मेरे से align करते हैं. जो नहीं align करते, people who vibrate with a lower energy will themselves understand that this person is not the right fit and they will leave. And that's the best thing. If you think like this is about being selfish, it's not. It's about being honest. If you don't love yourself, you will never be able to love someone else. The best part is your relationship with money heals. You start seeing it from a different lens. You start understanding its value because now you're not spending money to impress others. You're spending it because you want to invest in the best experiences, in the best things that help you level up. See, your soul doesn't need another person to grow, heal. It needs your own understanding and work from within to be able to live, breathe, grow and expand its horizon. और अगर आप कोई ऐसे हो जिसको अंदर से आवाज़ आ रही है that you truly want to live on your own, you want to, get out of this trap of chasing people in terms of relationships, friendships and a lot more, try to give it a chance. ये आपकी inner calling है, which means there is something profound, there is something that the universe is guiding you to do and you better not ignore that. I just want to hear one thing from you. Have you ever tried living on your own? It could be things like जब मम्मी चली गई कहीं पे, पापा चली गए कहीं पे, घर खाली हो गया, even if it is for 1 hour or 2 hours. How did you feel? क्या क्या चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में आई, आपको कैसा लगा? Did you enjoy it? Did you feel trapped? And if you're feeling any of this, that is a sign. That is a sign that universe is guiding you towards something and that is something you need to listen. आप हमेशा ही लोगों के पीछे भागते हुए अपनी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद नहीं कर सकते, right? You need to work on yourself. I've been there, done that. I understood it is not for me. जब मुझे समझ आया that I am worth way more than this, I can work on myself, I can upgrade my value, and that's when I chose to step out of such friendships or relationships जो कि मुझे सफोकेट कर रहे थे instead of helping me grow in life. Trust me, कहीं ना कहीं आपको भी समझ आएगा कि आपके पास भी ऐसे friendships ज़रूर होंगे. It's just that you are confused about wanting to cut them off. And I'm not even telling you to cut them off. All I'm telling you to do is distance yourself a bit from them. Rather, start focusing on your own self-growth, leveling yourself up, and you will see the magic yourself. The people who are afraid of living alone are the only ones जिनको दूसरों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है और वो खुद को enough या sufficient feel नहीं करते. They are so used to defining themselves through others कि उन्हें अपनी value ही नहीं दिखती and they are not even obsessed with wanting to understand what goes out within, because the moment you ask the question, who am I, everything starts changing. With this, I would like to end today's video, and if you have more suggestions for videos like this, I would definitely want to hear them out in the comments. Drop them in the comments and tell me what is one takeaway you had from this, and see you in the next one. Thank you.